अपनी जीत पर तो सभी खुश होते हैं, पर जो दूसरों की कामयाबी को अपनी जीत मानते हैं वो होते हैं टीचर्स। आज के सेलिब्रिटी टॉक शो में हम मिलेंगे एक ऐसे एजुकेशन लीडर से जिन्होंने शुरू करी एक यूनिवर्सिटी इन छत्तीसगढ़ जो ना सिर्फ एकेडमिक्स बल्कि स्किल डेवलपमेंट और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट पर भी फोकस करती है। तो चलिए मिलते हैं श्री दावरा यूनिवर्सिटी की डायरेक्टर मिसेस चार्मी दावरा से। चार्मी जी, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू द शो। बहुत खुश हूँ आपसे मिलकर और ये जानकर कि आपने छत्तीसगढ़ में यूनिवर्सिटी शुरू की है। टेल मी अबाउट योर यूनिवर्सिटी, श्री दावरा यूनिवर्सिटी, क्या खासियत है यहाँ की?
आई कम फ्रॉम मुंबई
ओके।
एंड मेरा हमेशा से एक बैकग्राउंड जो रहा है वो पढ़ाई वाला माहौल रहा है। So my father is a lawyer, my mother is a doctor, my brother is an orthopedic surgeon, my भाभी is also a professor. So एक education को बहुत importance शुरू से हमने दी है। तो एक कहीं ना कहीं back of the mind में एक education के प्रति बहुत soft corner रहा है and we always look forward to work passionately towards growth and development. So we had this opportunity of joining hands with government skill development program करके, wherein we went to all the remote areas and we mobilized all the students to our campus and हम उनको training देते हैं. They stay in our campus basically and they are given all the facilities and training करने के बाद में they are even groomed. Their personality development पे work होता है, उनके soft skills पे work होता है. They are even taught computers. We even train them for interviews. तो जैसे बाहर की दुनिया में जब जाते हैं तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. With the basic course उनका skill grow करना is very important. So with all the grooming part and everything, we even place them in very nice companies. So with while interacting with all these remote area students, एक ambition बन गया हमारा कि grass root level पे work करना चाहिए. And with the experience what we have in the education field, we thought of coming up with a university जहाँ पे उनको केवल basic course के बारे में ही नहीं, but about the skill development and the value, giving them those courses which add value to their studies. And even imbibing all the moral values in them nowadays is very important. So we thought of coming up with a university.
What is your thought on women empowerment? किस तरह का बढ़ावा मिल रहा है औरतों को?
I belong to a Gujarati family. और हमारे फैमिलीज़ में मैंने अक्सर देखा है कि जो फीमेल्स रहती है उनको बहुत मान सम्मान भी दिया जाता है और आगे आगे बढ़ने के लिए उनको दे सपोर्ट अ लॉट. लाइक से माय फैमिली इटसेल्फ, लाइक they have a very supporting hand towards me. So that's the reason why I've reached such heights today. तो ये जब values imbibed in me, so when I imply it on my institutions, so I have even recruited so many girl child who were already studying with me during the skill development programs. So I've recruited them now and they're working for with us. And besides that, even आस-पास के जो गाँव है वहाँ we usually have visits.
Right.
And there I've seen so many females, they are working जो महिला समूह होते हैं and there are so many SSGs working.
Right.
So we even try and have these programs with them so that they come to our campus and we can promote women empowerment also.
I'm sure it must be very rewarding to see so many women grow. जैसे आप बता रहे हैं आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी की lots of girl child have also been recruited. The other thing is of course even in education infrastructure a lot of things are happening. AI का ज़माना है, so क्या वो सारी चीज़ें भी implement हुई है आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी में?
Well, in our university, like जैसे लगभग सारी universities में huge lush green campus and all the lab and libraries and well equipped classrooms, ये सारी चीज़ें playground सब पाई जाती है. So besides that, what we have is I would like to say something about the upcoming technology. आज का ज़माना जो है वो डिजिटल है, कंप्यूटर्स वाला है. So जैसे how in layman language they say कि कंप्यूटर्स को जब आँखें दी जाती है, that's called a drone technology.
Right.
उनका जो दिमाग होता है that is artificial intelligence. और ये आँखें दिमाग सब एक body में पैक कर देते हैं, that comes to a complete robotics.
Right.
So we will really like to focus on these things because nowadays all the upcoming generation, they are very much into the digital world. And one more very important and booming course is the forensic science.
Right.
So like coming to it, forensic science is not only limited to research and analysis.
Yeah.
It is something which has a wide, huge area. We have job profiles like toxicologists, forensic scientists, and crime scene analysts.
Wow, okay.
And even we have forensic professors. तो आजकल even हर पुलिस थाने के साथ में they are supposed to have a forensic team of its own.
Right.
Every police station it is supposed to have. So it's not only private, but the job profile is government also.
Also, yeah.
So all the students usually prefer government job. So it has a wide scope. So
Bilkul.
I'm really looking forward to have forensic science students in my university.
Are there any courses around food and travel?
Yes, there are hospitality courses and hotel management courses also.
तो वहाँ पर क्या सिखाया जाएगा?
वहाँ पर everything like from all the basic concepts like handling the counter and even the kitchen and everything whatever the hotel and the hospitality and tours and travel management is supposed to learn.
Right.
So like that, and we will
Okay.
be looking forward to have you on board.
Well, मैं आकर सिर्फ खाऊंगी. I don't know मैं सिखा
Sure,
पाऊंगी या
that will be a
नहीं.
quality check for us also.
Absolutely. मुझे ज़रूर बुलाना. और अगर रायपुर में मुझे किसी चीज़ का क्वालिटी चेक करना हो, what is that one dish that you would recommend? You're originally from Mumbai, but
Well,
spending
I'm from Mumbai, and just few days back when we had a friends gathering, I was so craving to have Mumbai's vada pav because it's been so
Oh.
many years that I've been here in Raipur. It's been 14 years now,
Okay.
and it so happened that they already had ordered, and I savored that. But you know, it's not exactly how you have it in Mumbai.
So do you miss Mumbai here, or how do you like your life here in Raipur?
Well, I love my life here in Raipur. So yes, I miss my family in Mumbai.
Right.
But Raipur now for 14 years. So you have this affection also for Raipur. And my family here is awesome.
Right. What is the vision that you hold for your university? किस तरह से आप बढ़ाना चाहेंगे अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी?
हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में coming to speak of not giving basic education is not the only motto. With that, we even have, we are coaching for UPSC and PSC and such other competitive exams also. So basic उनके curriculum के साथ में we are giving them free coaching. There are times, when students don't get an opportunity. So we are
Right.
providing them with that so that I would like to see छत्तीसगढ़ में कि कई जिलों के कोई SP रहे या collector बने.
बिल्कुल.
And I'm looking forward, and those people will be an inspiration to the upcoming generations.
Right.
For
And we hope to see many more branches of the university.
100%. Basically, I would even like to tell you that our university, besides we have a huge campus and the construction area is of around 3 lakh square feet.
Wow.
And even we have a hostel of 1 lakh square feet for boys and girls with a huge playground of 36 acres. We have open gym and
Okay.
cricket, net cricket and basketball and even shooting range.
If I may ask you about the speciality or the USP, कह लीजिए, the unique selling point of the university, क्या होगी वो एक चीज़ जो सबसे ज़्यादा खास है?
More importantly, we have NEP 2020.
What
That
is NEP 2020?
That is National Education Policy
Okay.
2020, which is initiated by government. It is started so that the education level should go global.
Right.
It should be upgraded and go globally. So basically क्या होता था जब पहले हम पढ़ते थे मेरे टाइम पे, so if we are pursuing some program, say BSc, तो 3 साल में complete हो जाता था. So now with this NEP, इसमें जो course है, if some mishap happens and if I have to discontinue after first year, तो पहले ऐसा होता था कि उनके जो वो कंसिडर किए जाते थे इधर 12th ड्रॉप आउट
Right.
या फिर फर्स्ट ईयर बस कंप्लीट कर लेते थे. सो ओके, सो इवन इफ दे गो फॉर जॉब्स दे वुड गेट इट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ग्रेड्स ऑफ 12th स्टैंडर्ड.
Right.
So with the NEP it is not like that. So after the first year completion we award them with a certificate. So even if they want to go for a job, they will not be
Right.
called 12th dropout.
Right.
So this is a very important and a new point. And इससे क्या साल वेस्ट नहीं होता बच्चों का.
बिल्कुल.
Besides, if they want to continue for कि भाई आगे पढ़ाई करनी है after a break, तो they can continue.
जब चाहे आकर कंटिन्यू कर सकते
कंटिन्यू
हैं.
कर सकते हैं आफ्टर अ ब्रेक. बट ये कंटिन्यूएशन करने के लिए आप मुझे बोलेंगे कि ये कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो दे आर अवॉर्डेड क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स.
Right.
सो जो क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स होते हैं दे आर बेस्ड ऑन वेरियस रीजंस. जो कोर्स सिलेक्ट करते हैं उसके बेस पे कुछ क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं. देन दे टेक अप सम स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्स व्हिच इज कंपल्शन फॉर
Right.
अस टू गिव देम द क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स. व्हाट दे गेन, दे आर स्टोर्ड इन अ academic bank of credit.
Right.
So after few years if someone wants to pursue further studies.
हाँ
So
जी।
they don't even they can have that credit points, they can redeem them, and not only for that university, वो globally कोई भी university में जाकर के पढ़ाई continue कर सकता है for the coming years.
Wow,
So-
this sounds very, very
Yes, so
interesting.
our Sri Davda University is the first private university in Chhattisgarh who is following NEP completely. So I'm really proud to say that कि जैसे and even we as work on the grassroots level, तो बच्चों को पहले पढ़ाई करने जाना पड़ता था, and proudly I can say that हम पढ़ाई को बच्चों तक ले जा रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल. And with that vision, I'm sure you're only going to flourish. Charmi, it's been wonderful talking to you and hearing from you about the vision of Sri Davda University.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the show. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to the Celebrity Talk Show. देखते रहिए News 18 मध्य प्रदेश छत्तीसगढ़.